Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. And I just hope you have given your best in your online exam. It was such an unusual and extraordinary experience as the exam conducted in a very fair way. So today again we came back to our studies and today we are going to continue our class with the honeysuckle book, okay? In which we are going to start a new poem, that is the quarrel. Quarrel means to fight, okay, which is written by Eleanor Farzion, okay. So means in this poem we will see means about a brother and sister who quarrel with each other, means they fight with each other. It is very common situation, we are all facing this situation many times. We quarrel with means each other, with our brother and sister without any reason. There is no any reason, but still we are fighting, and their quarrels begin over a very small petty issues, and how with a small kind act the quarrel end. Means whenever personally means it is my personal experience I'll share you that whenever means I used to fight with my sister, okay, and later on when our favorite program comes on TV, we used to call each other that come, let's watch this TV serial or whatever program. We used to watch it together. Whatever or how many things we have spoken to each other, like in a very bad words or whatever, but while watching, means we used to care about each other, happiness and how we can enjoy. So these are the things we care about each other. Okay, sometimes we also don't know that why we are fighting, but later on it just end with a very small kind act, and which is very beautiful. So let's read this poem to feel the same, okay. So we will read this poem and we can relate this poem means in our life, because somewhere and everyone have their brother, little brother, younger brother, elder brother, sister. Okay, so we'll relate this poem personally, and all the best, okay, because you are going to experience the real thing, the fact what we are means, this is quite related to our life, that's it I will say. So it is very common for brother and sister to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. When our parents used to ask what happened between you guys, we fail to answer them because we also don't know that why we are fighting. But how long do such quarrel last? How do they end? Okay, we doesn't know even. I quarrel with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Yeah, this thing always happen. This thing always happen. Like when we when we are fighting, we used to say you are wrong, he will say that you are wrong. We both means we personally believe that I am right, or you will also believe that you are right, okay. But after ending a fight, we'll say that sorry, it was my mistake, I did so and such thing, okay. So these all the things happen, okay. We quarrel with our brother, we even don't know why we are quarreling about, and one thing led to another, and somehow we fell out, okay. Sometimes we used to fight like a cat, or we are sometimes we pull each other hair, we used to abuse or whatever we means you we use even foul language also. We use everything in our fight, okay, because it means sometimes it start with touching each other, and it will end up to giving means hit on a very hard hit to each other. It will lead to that, and ultimately we say that you are wrong or I am wrong. No, sorry, you are wrong, I am right. So these things happen usually, right? So, in this poem, the poet had a fight with his brother. Both of them were fighting and were not even aware of the cause of the fight. And the fight was happening because of some small thing. One thing was given way to another. While fighting, both fell down. In the beginning, the fight was very means slight, means a very delicate one, which was not very serious, but gradually it grew intense and became a serious issue. His brother said that he was right, whereas the narrator means he was thinking himself on the right side. So this happened on the first stanza. Let's move to another stanza. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right." So, what happened next? I will give you an example. I told you now, when me and my sister, or you or your sister or brother used to fight, we fight on a very silly things, very small thing, even for some eating items also it can be, or watching some TV programs, or whatever, means going in a party, or wearing some dress, or commenting on each other's handwriting, or whatever it will be a very silly thing in initial stage, okay, but it grew strong at the end of the fight. Okay, so there we start hitting each other, we start abusing, we start using foul languages. So this happened. So after ending, means after end this fight, we used to sit with each other. We used to stay away with each other, and after some hour or within just a moment, means I shared our experience now, that whenever our favorite TV program comes on TV, we used to call each other, like, come, the TV program has started, look at this boy or a girl, what he or she is doing. Like this we like sort out the things. So this all means this happens everywhere. Okay, this happens everywhere. So we hated another. The afternoon turned black. Yeah, but after happens after staying away with each other, we used to like forget about everything, and unknowingly we go and just thumped back on each other's back and say, let's watch, let's do this, let's do that. Or even sometimes we say that I was wrong and you were right. So like this the fight get end. Okay, so here means in the noon the fight became serious and the both started hating each other. They didn't like one another. All of a sudden, poet's brother hit him on the back and asked him to get along. It was not the right thing to cool the matter throughout the night. Means it is very bad when we are just stretching this matter from one afternoon to the other night. So it is very bad. Let's get means overcome with this, or we should forget about this. They also declared, means humbly, that he was wrong, which proved his generosity. Means he was quite good. This moved the means his heart, and he realized that he was wrong, and what he felt that I was wrong and he was right. So this all happened after the end of the fight, and everywhere I will say this, like, everyone have share, means everyone have means experienced then this in your life, because you have your brother, sister, elder or younger. You may have fight with your brother, sister. You also behave like this unknowingly. You are fighting, ultimately it gets worst fight where you used to hit each other. But after sometimes your elder brother, sister, or you, young means you will go to your younger brother, sister, and you will like you will pamper what happened, like kya hua, gussa ho, naraz ho, like this. We will end this all the things. Okay, so this is all about the poem. You must have um, experience this all in your life also. Right now also you are facing somewhere. I have heard in the online classes also, one brother or sister was sharing the mobile, and in that they had a fight for the mobile also. So these all the things happens when we are living with our siblings. Okay, and these are the very cute moments. I must say these are the very cute moments. Okay, so it is very like these are the very best moment of our life, when we share our fights, when we share our happiness, or when we share our sadness, or when we are doing silly things together. It is like a memorable thing which we can't forget. Okay, so this is all about the poem. Hope you have enjoyed this poem. Okay, and tomorrow we all together summarize the poem. Okay, and so this is all about the poem, and tomorrow I will summarize and we'll discuss the exercises of this poem. Okay, so have a nice day to all.